This is my final project for the CS50 Web Programming with Python and Javascript course. It's called Planet and it's a task management system. Let me show you a quick demo of the application. So I can toggle between the register and login forms, and let's create an account. Of course, the passwords must match. This is the landing page, so let's create our first new task. If I don't choose a due date, the current date is set by default. Let's get the priority as high and keep the category for now as none, and then save the table. Now we have a row with the task. Let's create one more. And let's choose a due date this time, and keep the category and priority as they are. I'm gonna change the categories later. So let's say I made a typo like here, and I want to edit the task, so I can click on this button and edit, and then save the table. Also, if I created a task and then I changed my mind, I can delete it from this button right here. So let's go to the categories page and create two categories. So let's create one called CS50 and another called test, and let's assign the categories to the tasks to the proper categories. So let's assign this one to CS50 and this one to test, and they move to their relevant tables. Okay, now to show the search categories part, let's log in another account which has more categories. So this one has a lot. As you can see, there are many tasks and many categories. There is this dictionary representation to group all categories with the same letter, and yeah, so let's search for example the same category we used in the other one, CS50. If we don't find it, this is because every category is user related. Now let's search for something that has a P in it, and we get these. And let's search for more specific. We get the one with the correct name. Also, I can sort the table by the task title, for example, ascending or descending, and the description as well, alphabetically. And the due date I can sort by how what's the date. So there's this that's September 18, 2024, and that's January 2025. I can also sort priority both ways around, and categories I can sort them alphabetically. Now if I check some tasks, they move down to the bottom of the table. Okay, this application is responsive to smaller devices, because we have this, for example, collapse the sidebar, and let me show you on a phone what it would look like. This is what it would look like, and even with the sidebar it looks readable. Let me show you the other parts. So yeah, now let me do one final thing, and let's close out of this and check this task because we completed it. And that's all. Bye.